we've kind of talked about the four major pillars. Dipankar, say a manufacturing organization thinks it might be ready to start embracing those those Industry 4.0 principles. What are the first steps here? How do we get moving in this direction?
Right, a very important question indeed. So as a first step, you need to understand the gaps and make a plan for the journey when you are studying something. So as the Industry 4.0 is a journey, it needs an initial as well as a periodic assessment on the maturity and the readiness of the organization to adopt Industry 4.0. And for that, you need to follow a structured approach to determine the maturity levels across the different dimensions which are relevant for Industry 4.0, like people, process, technology, and so on, and how ready you are as an organization for the Industry 4.0 adoption. Now, for the assessment helps you to understand the gaps where you need to improve, based on which you can ultimately define the roadmap for your Industry 4.0 adoption. Once you prioritize the different gaps using a prioritization methodology. So there are different such maturity and readiness assessment framework available, two of which are very popular and useful and used across the industry globally. These are called the Smart Industry Readiness Index, or SIRI, which was developed by the Singapore Economic Development Board with the World Economic Forum and currently managed by INSEAD, as well as ACATEC, which is defined and managed by the German Academy of Science and Engineering. So we have actually interacted with both this organization and covered this frameworks in detail in the book, in the chapter 9, how to use this assessment framework, so that you can get an understanding of how to use this framework for your own assessment and readiness determination, as well as the prioritization planning. So SIRI is the prioritization index. And it also explains how you can define the Industry 4.0 roadmap and the plan to execute such complex program, irrespective of whichever technologies or platform or solutions you might be using.